Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you just how to do quickly as possible. I'm gonna do my editing. Normally I don't edit my videos, but today I will because I don't want it to be too long. And I want to try my editing. I'm still learning how to cut, how to merge, and do some editing, main editing or basic editing in video. So let's go. Okay, let's put this thing down. So yeah, before we begin, I have everything what I need. I already used this guy here. It's very good because it's good for the stuff you can go in between without making any problems. So I already prepared. I didn't prepare yet, but it's a 5 pieces JST balance lead, and today instead of this one, which is only I think 25 watt, 25 watt, this one here is 25 watt. I'm gonna be using this a little bit stronger 55 watt Japanese made because I want to make it quicker, and also I would like to just to put it down a little bit more to make sure that this is done with water, so it's really nice and clean. And I'm using the guy, this without lead free thing, so it shouldn't be any problem. I'm gonna be using this. You don't have to, but I like to use this when I'm preparing this flux. Whoops. When I'm preparing this leads. I'm gonna start from plus lead. So take this, and I like to take like 4 millimeters approximately. Twist it a little bit, then dip it into this solution, and then thin it. That's it. You don't have to do much of this thing. Put a little bit here, and then you can prepare it. And the second thing is to put it here. Is it seen? Yeah, it is seen. Okay, could be seen. So one at a time. Put this one first. So it's moving. But if you have a steady arm, you can do quick, relatively quick. That's all what it does need. Just a tiny thing, and that's it. And that's the result. And then when you go further, you just follow. One here, one third one here, fourth one in between, and the last one, fifth one here, right? Of course, you don't want to take cancellation. You just want to take cancellation when you done, like I'm finished with this one. Looks good to me. If you're not sure, you can always use this guy here and check. Especially for older people like me. I don't think you can see. But anyway, you see what's the point. Check a little bit of your work and then continue. Next we're gonna do this other one. The same thing. 4 or 5 millimeter. I think 4 millimeter is good. And that's it. Same thing, dip it into this. You don't have to dip it, but I like to dip it to this magic solution here. And then add a little bit this guy here. And that's quick. Just prepare it. That's it. You can add a little bit more. Ideally, you would like to put it like this. But don't add too much because you don't need it. So that's a plus. Second one is minus. That's it. That's it. That's why I like the little bit stronger one. Solder unit, because the reason is you can make your work much faster. Yeah, it's hard to check. And then you can do the next one. That's it. Fairly easy. Nope, that's not a good idea, because you don't want that to interfere with your work. That's good enough. Put it aside and just go with the next one, which is number 3 goes in between. Goes here. Maybe I'm gonna just do it through this, so maybe it's gonna be seen better if I could do it like this. Not really. Maybe from this side. Ideally, you shouldn't be like me. I'm kind of, yeah, it looks good. Looks good to me. Everything looks good. And we go proceed with the number 4. Same technique. Maybe I'm gonna change the angle, working angle. So maybe from here you can see a little bit better. There you go. Good. Put this away and then continue with this one here. So it goes right here. See, this is example of not good thing. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. It's good. And the last one goes on this one. Just press and roll it. That's how I do it. I think it's nice and easy. Okay, move this here and finish with this. Okay. Because if you work fast, then it's much easier. check. Is it good? Yeah, I think it's good. And that's it. You don't see much by this. And that's it. Now we can go and check. Okay, I'm back. I can go and check this by plugging it here. And everything works fine, right? Okay. I hope it's gonna be seen. 38383, 381, 383. All good. Good. Nice. 15.3 volts. And now it's time to unhook this guy here. It's always a nice idea to clean the tip with a nice sponge. Then you have a nice surface next time. What I want to do. And then add a little bit. Solder to it. That's the solder what I use. Solder wire. I think it's okay now. I bought it on Amazon and it's really nice and handy. I like it. I like it a lot. I made this board, you can see when? Calgary, 2015. And now it can be left a little bit more. This guy here. Okay. And leave it to cool it down. In the meantime, we're gonna do some of these things I already saved. Everything looks good. Everything is nice. Leads on one side, balance lead on the other. Nothing is touching each other. Just want to check it one more time. Okay, good, 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 good. Good. Good enough. And now we're gonna do this thing. So, I'm gonna put it together and try to use this. If they don't work, we can always use something else. But if it does work, why not? It's the original like that, was like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one is not working the way I want to. That's okay if you ask me. As long as they don't touch each other, that's that's all what we need. It's not very strong, this thing. You know what? I'm gonna leave this one away And I'm gonna start with this one around this way. Yeah, I can put both at one end. So like this, put it across. Just make it nicer. Okay, now I can add this thing here. Then I can add this thing here again, around. Not bad. So get it really, really strong. I'm just gonna use see-through tape. Hold it together. There you go. That's extra, that's extra, that's extra. We can use, or we don't have to use this. I might be even just cutting this around and oops, move this away. By the way, that's how it's called. So I don't think it's any bad. It's that really bad. I'm gonna put one additional like around. And I'm gonna put this way up. There you go. It's a see-through one. I can use this, and I don't have to, but I will, actually. Why not? Because of this thing here. I don't have to worry about that. There you go. I can put it maybe like this. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like this on the side. On one side and on the other side. Oh, that's okay with me. Okay, put around here and one around here. That's why I don't have to. That's why I don't have to mark it extra. No, I'm gonna use even this. I don't have to. It's protected good. I might. I think that's the original what chip was. I'm gonna cut this extra around here. What did I say? It's gonna be quick? Oh, it's not quick with but I can cut it. I'm gonna try my best to make it better. you go. And I'm gonna go around one around this. Okay, that's maybe too much. We want to make sure that it's nice and tight. There you go. It's a nice package. The main thing, it works. That's the main thing. So it is working. And that's what's important. There you go, finished product. And that's important. What is important? Oh, I think I dipped a little bit of this into, but that's no big deal. This is important, that it works, right? That's what we want to see. That's very important. 15 volts, and it works. A little bit longer, but let's see how it fits in the helicopter. All this mess we're gonna leave, and then we're gonna move here. Where are you? Oh, here. There you go. Let's see how it's gonna fit here, because that's what's important. There you go. And because it's flexible, this is gonna easily cover underneath this thing here. What do you think? Is it gonna be any problem? I don't think so. And that's it. Very flexible. That's good. That's good. So no problem. And there you go. That's it. It's inside. It's inside the helicopter. What it should be. What it's supposed to be. Nice. I like it. Okay, that was everything for today. Be good. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life. Be nice. Bye bye. Hey, wait a minute. We didn't try it out. We didn't put it into the charger to see is it gonna be working or not. That's the thing. So let's do that now. Take it off from the plane. I should say helicopter. This thing is good. Now we're gonna plug it and charge. How it works. Okay, works. Move all the stuff here. That's the first one I made. That's the second one I made. First one I made the balance lead on the bottom, and this one is on the top. It doesn't matter for now. Let's do this first. Let's put this together. See what's gonna happen. There we go. We plugged it. Nothing happens. We can still charge it, right? But it's gonna be without balance lead. But it's gonna be charged. It's still charging. But the question is it charging? Let's try to put the balance lead connector inside. Like it's not easy with one hand, as everybody knows it. But I hope this thing is gonna work. It reads everything. I mean, I see it works, but I'm hoping that this camera is gonna record, because this is really hard to record. Believe me. I hope this is okay. So I'm not gonna move it from here. So we go press start. And voila, it's charging. And even the looks like its internal resistance works too. Let's check. 3.8, everything is recognized. That's awesome. And 0.1 amp, so 100 milliamps only. But we're gonna leave it. So I'm just glad everything works fine. So we didn't do it for nothing. We did it for a reason. And it works. That's amazing. Okay, that's very good. I'm glad it works. So the whole thing was not for nothing. For nothing. We did something, which is good. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.